Yeah. Hey, Glenn. Hey, Brayden.
Did you go down by yourself?
Hi. What is that you're chewing on, Brayden? Is that the letter G? Good job, Brayden. On your daddy's shoulders. That looks really fun. Jumping all the way up. And there we are. Hi, baby. How are you doing? Whoa. Cute. Can you show us how you kick your feet, Brayden? How you kick your feet in swim school? Kick, kick. Kick your feet, Brayden. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, 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 Brayden. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, 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 kick. He's a frog. He's a regular frog, I tell you. He's chasing the letter G.
That was Daddy's favorite letter.
Kick, 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 kick. Good job, Brayden. Did you catch it? Did you get the letter G? He got it! Woohoo! Excellent job!
That's what I was saying.
Legs are going crazy. Legs are going crazy. We want to see frog. We want to see frog. Good job, Brayden.
Good job, Brayden.
Good job. Yay! Baby swim school, 7 months old. What do you know? Put his hat back on for protection.
And you? Bye-bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
All around Bush, chase the weasel. It's all in fun, but we go the weasel.
What do you think of that, Brayden? You want to grab my camera? Was that fun? Are you tired after swim school? What did you pick up?
Your favorite sunglasses.
Oh, wow. What do they look like when they're on?